Hi you guys, welcome back. Welcome back to one of my GMC playlists. And if you're new to my channel, please check out my GMC Yukon playlist, where you'll see tons of GMC Yukon repair videos. But before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell. Believe it or not, this really helps me to continue making these repair videos. Okay, let's get started. Well, if you've been watching my last videos, you would have seen me replace my headlights to some halo lights or spider lights. You can click above on the right hand side there if you want to watch that video. Then after that, I did my turn signal lights. Those were really dingy looking too. So I upgraded them and replaced them. Again, if you want to watch that video, just click above on the right hand corner. Once I installed the turn signal lights, I wanted to upgrade the daylight running lights. I wanted to change them to a blue LED. I'm sure you've seen those. I think those are really great looking. So I looked around and I found these on eBay. They really weren't that expensive. Here's the link right here. Well, if you watch my other two headlight videos and turn signal light removal videos, then you're probably an expert of taking these lights out by now. But no worries, if this is your first time here, I'll show you how to change this light. It's not that hard. So let's get started. Okay, one of the first things we want to do is pop the hood. What we're going to do is we're going to work on the driver's side first. You're going to look on top and you're going to find these two rods. You're going to unclip, one on the left, then one on the right. Once you've pulled them out, just set these rods aside. Now we can go ahead and carefully move the light forward. Once out, just set it on top. Now that we have the headlight out of the way, we can now disengage the turn signal fixture. We want to disconnect the turn signal assembly. And we're going to do that by going to the right side. You're going to see a plastic clip. You're going to take your screwdriver and apply some pressure and take your hand and move the light outward on the right side only. The left side just gets plugged in. You'll see here in a second. As you can see, the left side just unplugs. Go ahead and move the light outward, but you don't have to disconnect anything yet. Next, you're going to see three lights. As you look down, you're going to see three lights. You're going to remove the one on the left side of the lens. That's your running light. All you're going to do is push down on the tab and twist it off. Comes out really easy. To remove the light bulb, all you need to do is pull it out. Once you have it removed, go ahead and install your LED light. Well, here's what the LED looks like out of the box. Well, it says it's a blue light, but I don't see anything blue on here. So we'll see if it turns blue. It just snaps right in. Now go ahead and install the bulb into the fixture. Make sure when you turn it, it locks into place with the tab. Once you have the bulb in, have someone stand outside as you go in and start the car, put it in drive, and see if the running light comes on. If the light does not come on, remove the bulb and turn it 180 and plug it back in. It should come on after that. Now that we got the new bulb in, we could put everything back together again. So we can go ahead and install the fixture on the left side. We're going to plug it in on the left side. Once that's plugged in, we can push the right side in so we can snap that clip in, just the same way like you took it out. This fixture just snaps right in. If you're having some difficulty trying to get that snap in, go ahead and use your screwdriver to help to assist it in. Once you got it snapped into place, now we can go ahead and reinstall our headlight. Okay, we're going to first tuck our wires in and we're going to take the headlight and slide it back in, making sure the holes are aligned so the two rods will come through. Go ahead and put your left rod in, push it in all the way down, turn it so it locks into position. There you go. Do the same thing on the right side. Make sure the holes are lined up, otherwise you'll have a problem shoving that rod through to lock it in. Alright, looks like we've got it. See how easy that was? Now just do the same thing to the left side. Well, this is what it looks like with the before and after shots. It does make the front end look a little newer, wouldn't you say? Next, looks like I'm gonna have to do the fog lamps. They look pretty beat up. I crawled down there and looked at it a few months back. I think I'm gonna have to completely replace them. Well, stay tuned to the next video. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye.